What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a skincare routine for dry and combination skin. As you guys can see, my client here, his skin is very youthful, glowy, hydrating, and I'm going to be showing all the steps that I've used to achieve this look. Step 1 will be washing your face. I'm using the La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. During this process, I am massaging the face wash using gentle pressure. I added a good amount of water to the facial sponge. This cleanser is safe for sensitive skin. It removes excess oils while maintaining the skin's natural moisture, and also it balances out the pH. It really leaves your skin feeling super clean and fresh and just really comfortable without clogging your pores. I used additional clean water to remove any leftover cleanser on her face. I went ahead and used a paper towel, gently dabbing the excess water that was left over. After cleansing your skin, you always want to follow up with a toner. The toner that I'm using is called Cactus Water. I'm going to pour a few drops on the cotton pad and massage that in her skin. This product is good for all skin types. It's good for pores, redness, and uneven textures. The kelp extract is a rich source of antioxidants that calms the skin. It's very, very soothing as well. Step 3 will be applying serum. This Biosan serum is a lightweight serum. It is going to basically plump the skin and hydrate the skin. Also, it's really good for someone who has fine lines and wrinkles and even dullness. It's going to give firmness and elasticity to the skin. One of the main ingredients in here, it's the sugarcane squalene. It basically draws any type of moisture and just locks it in for a long period of time. Second serum that I will be using is the Clearance. This has 21 potent plant extract. But the main ingredient that I really love in this is the turmeric, which gives like a radiance to the skin. A really cool thing that I really love about this product is the actual lid. So it's like a dial. So you turn the dial to customize the dosage to your skin needs, and then you just pump it and then it comes out. So it's super, super cool. I really love that. As you guys can see, I am using a pressing motion. I'm going to press the product in her skin and then smooth everything out. Look at her skin at the moment. It is very, very hydrated. It has a very nice radiant to it, and I am just in love with it already. Step 5 will be the moisturizer. I am using the Fresh Deep Hydration Moisturizer. I'm going to start from the middle of her face going outwards. This is a lightweight moisturizer which has hyaluronic acid and is going to hydrate her skin and give her like a really dewy skin feel look, and it's just amazing. I'm going in with Skin Fix. This is going to be my second moisturizer. This is going to lock in all of the other layers of products that I have applied. This specific product is going to replenish your skin barrier for a dewy, plumper, hydrated, and healthy looking skin. So if your skin feels like really dry, flaky, and itchy, it is because your skin doesn't retain moisture. So normally like the most common factors of dry skin is probably like environmental factors like cold temperatures, humidity, aging, genetics, or even your personal history, your medical history can play a big role in your skin being dry. My client was really fascinated with how her overall skin felt and looked. She was feeling more confident in herself, that her skin was looking super glowy, super hydrated, and just very radiant overall. Last but not least, I'm going to top it off with a lip balm, and I'm going to use a lip applicator to just apply that to her lips so her lips can be hydrated as well. So yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me your skincare routine. What are you doing for your skin? And comment below. Let's have a conversation, guys. After I finished the skincare prep, I went ahead and applied her foundation. This tutorial will be up soon. This is the new Nars light reflecting foundation. As you guys can see, her skin looks flawless. Flawless. See you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys. Don't forget to comment, y'all. Bye.